Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. So in the next few minutes, we will talk about a way to enjoy our life's journey. We know that the life is full of ups and downs. We experience that. Our Bhagwan, who is the master designer of this world, who is the master database administrator, he keeps on looking at our karma account in real-time mode, and depending upon what we deserve, he makes this world respond to us in terms of various experiences. And these experiences could be conducive or non-conducive situations. It could be conducive or not conducive people. It could be conducive or non-conducive objects. And all these experiences result in the roller coaster ride in our life's journey. If we need to enjoy the ride, then we need to wear a special type of seat belt, which we can call it as a spiritual seat belt. We need to implement the required change within us. Our Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda ji, he says, while defining the new year, what is new year? He says that the day when we change is the new year. And he goes on saying that the change must bring in our own sense of happiness and fulfillment, which may result in happiness of others around us also. So, what specific action we should do to bring this change within us? That's the next question. Our Guruji, Swami Tejamananda ji, he says, the spirituality is not a specific action, but it is the vision behind every action what we do. So, all we need to do to start with is to keep doing whatever we are doing with a change of attitude. And what is the change of attitude? The change of attitude of offering the results to Bhagwan, taking refuge in him. Madhyogam ashrita sarva karma palatyagam kuru. Bhagwan says in chapter 12. Kulasekara Alvar in Mukundamala, he highlights that only Bhagwan can lift us from this ocean of samsara which is full of suffering. Samsara sagara nimagnamananta dinam uddhartumarhasi hare purushottamosi. Once a person surrenders to Bhagwan and continues doing the right action with the right attitude, then with that kind of a seatbelt fastened, the shock absorbers become more and more effective, helping him or her to enjoy the life's journey. When the time comes, Bhagwan assures that he will give the knowledge. Dadami buddhyogam. That way, leading that spiritual seeker to eternal peace. Our Guruji very nicely summarizes the joy of the journey of such a spiritual seeker. He says in Jnanasara, for such a sadhak, this very world which earlier appeared as sorrow-ridden now appears blissful. Yedetat jagat dukkha rupam purasi tadeva dunananda rupam ibhati. So, to conclude, With such assurance from our Guru Parampara, let us resolve in this new year to fasten this spiritual seatbelt and continue our life journey. We are assured to enjoy the ride with that spiritual seatbelt on. Happy New Year. Hari Om.